Hello guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the Paystack app within your sub account and get it connected to your Paystack platform, and more importantly executing actions directly from your workflow. Let's get started. Inside your sub account, we go at the app marketplace to search for the app. You type Paystack. There you go. Click on it. We go at install and then allow install. We need to provide the API key in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, if you notice, there's a smart cue here. If you click on it, it's going to guide you on how to get that API key. But let's do it together. We're going to switch to our Paystack platform. We're inside the Paystack. We come down here at settings and then API keys. We get a test secret key here. Show it. We copy, we make sure it's copied, and then we switch back here, we get it pasted, and we continue. We have success, which means the tool is already connected to the platform and you can start executing actions directly from the workflow. In the next video, we're going to go over the different actions inside the workflow. That's it. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Actually, we have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.